Navigate to the inventory on main menu on the left-hand sidebar. From the drop-down menu, select Suppliers. This will take you to the Supplier Management screen, where you can view your existing vendor list. To add a new one, click the plus Add Supplier button in the top right corner. You are now on the new supplier registration form. Start by clicking into the name field. Enter the official name of the business or supplier. Here, we are entering the name Pacific Coast Wholesalers. Next, move to the Contact Person field. Enter the name of your primary point of contact at this company, such as a sales representative or account manager. Here, we are adding James Wilson. Enter the supplier's mobile number. Now select the country. Enter a valid email address. Move to the state field. Type in the specific state or province associated with the supplier. We will enter California. Finally, enter the full street address in the address field. When you are satisfied with the information, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click the Save button. You are now redirected back to the main suppliers list. As you can see, the new supplier, Pacific Coast Wholesalers, has been successfully created and is listed at the top. Thanks for watching.